Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to order Muscletech Creatine. First, identify reputable online retailers or local stores that carry genuine Muscletech products. Compare prices and shipping costs across different platforms to find the best deal. Always check customer reviews to ensure product authenticity and reliable service before making your final selection. Muscletech offers various creatine forms, with micronized creatine monohydrate being a popular and effective choice. Consider your specific fitness goals and dietary preferences when selecting a product. Always adhere to the recommended serving sizes, which are typically 3 to 5 grams daily, to achieve optimal results and avoid potential discomfort. Some products, like Platinum 100% Creatine, provide 3 grams per scoop. When you're ready to purchase, ensure you use secure payment methods to protect your financial information. Carefully review all shipping costs and estimated delivery times before finalizing your order. Many retailers offer various shipping speeds, so choose what works best for you. Once your order is placed, utilize the provided tracking information for real-time updates on its journey to your doorstep. Once your Muscletech Creatine arrives, store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain its potency. Incorporate it into your daily routine as recommended, typically mixing it with water or juice. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day for best results. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.